Do you ever wonder which purchases are actually worth the money in the long run? We all want to save money, but sometimes it's hard to tell which things we should spend a little extra on to save more over time. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 smart purchases that may cost more upfront, but will save you a lot of money down the road. These are purchases that can help you live more comfortably, reduce future costs, and keep your finances on track. Let's dive into these smart choices that will pay off in the future. 1. Quality clothing. While it may seem tempting to grab cheap clothes every time you go shopping, investing in high-quality clothing is a smart decision that can save you money over time. Money expert Andrea Work advises that purchasing durable clothing from brands with guarantees or repair programs like Patagonia, LLB, and Blundstone can make a significant difference in the long run. By opting for timeless styles and classic colors, your wardrobe will stay relevant, and the clothing will last much longer than fast fashion options that wear out quickly. The money spent on high-quality clothing initially may feel steep, but think of the savings over time. You'll avoid constant replacements, saving money that would otherwise go toward cheap clothes that deteriorate after a few washes. Moreover, many brands offer lifetime warranties or repair services, which means you'll get extra wear out of your purchases without needing to shell out more money for replacements. Quality clothing also tend to be more comfortable, and better fit means you won't need to keep buying new items to replace ones that don't fit well or look good. This investment leads to less waste, meaning fewer trips to the store and fewer discarded items. Furthermore, purchasing quality clothing aligns with sustainable living. Fast fashion is not only expensive in the long term, but also has a massive environmental cost. By choosing durable, high-quality items that can last years, you're reducing your carbon footprint, which is an additional benefit. So, next time you consider that cheap t-shirt, think about the long-term value a high-quality item can offer. 2. Energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances are another purchase that might have a higher upfront cost, but will save you money for years. Personal finance expert Erica Kohlberg highlights that investing in energy-efficient kitchen appliances, like a refrigerator, dishwasher, or washing machine, can significantly reduce your utility bills over time. These appliances are designed to use less electricity, which means you'll pay less on your monthly energy bills, and they often come with advanced features that make them more convenient to use. The long-term savings are clear. Appliances that use less power won't just lower your energy consumption, they also contribute to reducing your carbon footprint. In the case of refrigerators, for example, an energy-efficient model can use 10 to 50% less electricity than older, inefficient models. Over the years, those savings add up, making the higher initial cost worthwhile. Plus, newer energy-efficient appliances tend to be more reliable, which reduces repair costs and the need for early replacements. With better energy efficiency, you're not only saving money, but you're also investing in the longevity of your appliances. Additionally, many energy-efficient appliances come with warranties and repair services that ensure their durability and performance over time. This ensures that your investment pays off for a longer period and reduces the overall cost of ownership. It's a win-win for both your budget and the environment. From dishwashers to water heaters, prioritizing energy efficiency is a smart decision that saves you money while also contributing to sustainable living. 3. Professional tools and equipment. If you're into DIY projects or home improvements, professional-grade tools are a smart purchase that will save you money in the long run. While they might come at a higher price tag, expert Erica Kohlberg suggests investing in quality tools for all your projects, whether you're fixing something around the house or tackling a larger construction project. High-quality tools last longer, perform better, and often come with warranties, making them a smart buy for anyone who values reliability. Think of the frustration of working with a cheap tool that breaks halfway through a project. Not only do you lose time, but you'll also need to replace it sooner. Investing in better quality tools eliminates this hassle and ensures that you get years of use out of your equipment. For example, a high-quality drill or saw can easily last a decade or more, while lower-end versions might only last a few years. With professional-grade tools, you'll experience fewer issues, better performance, and ultimately, fewer replacements, saving you money over time. These tools also tend to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. Imagine trying to fix a leak with a cheap wrench that doesn't provide the necessary grip or control. On the other hand, a solid, well-made tool ensures that you can complete the task effectively without additional frustrations or setbacks. By investing in tools that can handle the job, you'll not only save money but also reduce the stress of having to redo tasks or deal with subpar results. Plus, these tools can often be used for multiple projects, giving you more value over time. 4. Durable outdoor gear. For outdoor enthusiasts, purchasing high-quality outdoor gear is one of the smartest purchases you can make. Whether it's hiking boots, camping gear, or weather-resistant jackets, investing in durable outdoor equipment is essential for both performance and long-term savings. Expert Erica Kohlberg recommends investing in rugged, high-performance gear from brands like REI, Cotopaxi, and Osprey, as they offer superior durability and often include warranties or repair services. Outdoor gear that's made to last not only performs better, but also stands up to the elements. High-quality hiking boots, for instance, will protect your feet and provide better support, making your hikes safer and more comfortable. Premium camping gear, like tents and sleeping bags, will keep you dry, warm, and protected, ensuring a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Although these items may cost more initially, they save you from a need to replace them frequently, unlike cheaper alternatives that wear out after just a few uses. When you invest in outdoor gear, you're also making an investment in your overall experience. Durable gear means fewer interruptions during your adventures and more reliable performance. Whether you're camping in the woods or hiking up a mountain, quality gear ensures that your trip won't be spoiled by broken equipment or uncomfortable clothing. The cost of replacing cheaper, low-quality outdoor gear adds up over time, whereas premium gear can last for many years, making it a better financial decision in the long run. 5. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats are an often overlooked purchase that can save you a lot of money on energy bills over time. Scott Lieberman, founder of Touchdown Money, highlights the importance of investing in a smart thermostat for better control over your home's heating and cooling systems. These thermostats learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly, which helps optimize energy usage, ultimately lowering your utility bills. Smart thermostats work by adjusting the temperature when you're not home or when you're asleep, preventing you from wasting energy on heating or cooling an empty house. Over time, the energy savings will far outweigh the initial cost of the device. Moreover, many smart thermostats come with features that allow you to control the temperature from your phone, meaning you can adjust settings even when you're away from home. This added convenience ensures that you're never wasting energy when you don't need to. In addition to saving money, smart thermostats are better for the environment since they help reduce energy consumption. By optimizing your home's temperature, these devices contribute to lower carbon emissions, making it a win for both your budget and the planet. Many people see a reduction in their utility bills of 10 to 15% after installing a smart thermostat, and with the added features like remote control and programming. It's a smart purchase that pays off over time. Making smart purchases now can result in significant savings over time. By investing in durable clothing, energy-efficient appliances, professional tools, rugged outdoor gear, and smart thermostats, you're setting yourself up for a future of financial savings, reliability, and long-term value. While these purchases may require a bit more upfront investment, their long-lasting benefits will outweigh the costs in the end. So, if you're looking to save more money in the future, consider making these smart purchases today. By spending wisely on quality items that offer durability and efficiency, you're not only investing in better products, but also ensuring that your hard-earned money works for you in the long run. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more tips on smart financial decisions, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which purchase you plan to make first and how it's going to save you money over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.